Hi friends, today I will show you how to download Mozilla Firefox for Windows 11. So I'm going to start. So first I will launch Chrome browser and here I will search download Firefox or so Firefox download, click enter. So as you can see here the first option came here like download Mozilla Firefox for Windows. There are other browser as well, but right now we will keep going through this one. So as we can see here, there are different operating system. So like Windows, Mac, Linux, Chromebook, but my desktop is Windows 11. So I will go through this one. So I will select on this one, download now. As you can see here, it get downloaded and now I'm going to install it. So go through the files and I will click double click. We will minimize it. And here it is asking, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? I will say yes. Firefox been installed before. Let's get a copy. So it is all previously it was downloaded. So I will not say. I will say reinstall. Now it is going to install. If it is your first time, then it will ask for install, not reinstall. So just go through this. Now it is installing. So it get downloaded and it get launched as well. So now we will search here YouTube, as you can see. So it's get downloaded. So if I hope you like this video, please like and subscribe and share with your friends.
If this video helps, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tutorials and tips. Thumbs up.